Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. I am happy to welcome you all for our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. For the class 9, subject biology, the chapter name is Organ System in Animals. Today, we are going to discuss about human digestive system. Children, you know very well there are about 10 organ systems in our body. For example, respiratory system, circulatory system, reproductive system, excretory system, endocrine system, and one among them, that is digestive system. So, more than 10 organ system in our body. In that 10 organ system, human digestive system is one among them. Okay. So, what is digestion? Have you heard the word digestion before? In the lower class itself, you already learned about digestive system, digestion. What is the meaning of digestion? Digestion is nothing but the breakdown of complex organic substances into the smaller subunit, that is called digestion with the help of digestive enzymes. In this topic, we will discuss about digestive system in detail. Okay? So, the food we eat contain not only the simple substances like vitamins, minerals, etc. It also having some complex substances, complex organic substances such as carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Our body cannot utilize all these complex substances as it is. It has to be broken down, it has to be break down. So, the body cannot use all these complex substances as it is unless they are converted into simple substances. The 5 stages of nutrition process involves or includes ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Once again I am repeating the 5 stages. The first one is ingestion. What is the meaning of ingestion? Ingestion is nothing but intake of food. So, ingestion is nothing but intake of food. Digestion means breakdown of intake food, the breakdown of complex organic substances. So, digestion means breakdown. Okay. Absorption. So, absorption is nothing but taking in by small intestine to the bloodstream. So, intake of the nutrients into the bloodstream, that is called absorption. The next one important word is there, children, assimilation. Assimilation is also takes place inside the small intestine through intestinal villi. What is the meaning of assimilation, children? Assimilation is nothing but intake of nutrients to the intake of energy to the cells, that is called assimilation. So, assimilation is nothing but intake of energy to the cells. And the last one is egestion. Egestion is nothing but elimination of undigested food. So, these 5 stages, these are the 5 stages of nutrition process. So, what are the 5 stages? First one is ingestion, that is intake of food. Second one is digestion, breakdown of food. Third one is absorption, intake of nutrients to the blood cells, to the blood. Fourth one is assimilation. Assimilation means intake of energy to the respective cells, to the cells. And the last one is egestion, elimination of undigested food. So, these are the 5 stages of nutrition. Clear, children? You have any doubt? Shall we move on to the next slide? Yes. See, the process of nutrition begins with intake of food called ingestion, as I said earlier. So, ingestion is nothing but the process of breakdown. First one, ingestion, the process of nutrition begins with intake of food. Initially, we have to intake food, that is called ingestion. After that, the breakdown of large organic substances, large food molecules into small, simpler and soluble and diffusible particles by the action of digestive enzymes. So, digestion takes place only with the help of digestive enzymes called digestion. So, the breakdown of, the conversion of larger substances, larger food molecules into the small, simpler, soluble and diffusible particles by the action of enzymes, digestive enzymes, is called digestion. So, parts of the body concerned with the digestion of foods form the digestive system. So, some parts involved in digestion of food substances. So, parts of the body concerned with the digestion of food form the digestive system. So, what are the different parts which are in digestive system? There are two different set of organs involved in digestion. See the picture here, children. This is the picture regarding digestive system. So many organs are involved. Starts from the mouth or buccal cavity. Some people are pronouncing it as buccal cavity, B-U-C-C-A-L. Some people pronouncing it as buccal cavity, somebody pronouncing it as buccal cavity. Both are same only, children. First starts from mouth, followed by the esophagus. It is also called as food pipe. The name itself, you can easily understand the concept, children. It is a pipe, it is tube like structure. It connects the mouth to the stomach. The third one is stomach. It is a bag like structure. Followed by small intestine and followed by large intestine and then rectum, anus. All these are the organs of digestive system. Apart from that, second set of organs I said no, glands. Glands are also involved in the digestion of food substances. For example, salivary gland, pancreas, etc. So, all these are the organs of digestion. Clear? See, the digestive system consists of two sets of organs. As I said earlier, two sets. One set is nothing but alimentary canal. Canal, the word canal is nothing but a long tube like structure. Starts from mouth and it ends in anus. So, alimentary canal is also called as digestive tract or gastrointestinal tract. See the name, gastrointestinal tract. Clear? So, it is a passage. Canal is nothing but a passage. It is a passage starting from the mouth or buccal cavity and ending with the anus. So, all these are collectively called as alimentary canal, also called as digestive tract or gastrointestinal tract. Second set of organ, digestive glands. Glands associated with alimentary canal. It is always associated. They combine with each other. They have interaction between the alimentary canal. So, glands associated with alimentary canal are salivary gland, gastric gland, pancreas, liver and intestinal glands. So, this is all the second set of organs. So, this alimentary canal and digestive glands both are organs of digestion. They are involved in digestive system. Okay. Now, we will see the structure of alimentary canal. As I said, what is alimentary canal? Alimentary canal is nothing but the passage. Starts from the mouth, at the end anus. In between mouth or buccal cavity, so many organs are involved. What are the organs? The first one is mouth or buccal cavity, and then pharynx, and then esophagus, and then stomach, then small intestine, and then large intestine, and then rectum and anus. All these are the alimentary canal. See here, alimentary canal is a muscular coiled tubular structure. It is a tube-like structure, starts from the buccal cavity or mouth. See, it consists of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. All these are said to be the alimentary canal. Now, see the picture here, children. See, this is a portion of human body. In that, we can able to see the mouth region. Mouth is also called as buccal cavity. And then this part is said to be pharynx, followed by the food pipe called esophagus. And then it leads to stomach. Then it is a coiled tube-like structure called small intestine. See here, small intestine. Small intestine is a long tube-like structure. It has three important parts. The first one is duodenum. Second one is jejunum. And third one is ileum. So, duodenum, jejunum and ileum, these three are collectively called as small intestine. And then large intestine. Large intestine consists of cecum, colon and rectum. And finally, the anus. All these are the organs of alimentary canal. They are collectively called as alimentary canal. Now, we will see the first one, mouth or buccal cavity. The mouth leads into the buccal cavity. It is bounded by two soft, movable upper and lower lips. See the picture here. This is the structure of mouth, upper lips, and this is the lower lips. Both are movable joints. See my mouth here. I am speaking to you. I am standing in front of you. My mouth is moving up and down. So, mouth is a organ. It is bounded by two soft, movable upper and lower lips. This is the upper lip and this is the lower lip. Can you understand, children? The buccal cavity is a large space bound above by the palate. See, this part is called palate. See here, this part hard, this part is called palate. Okay. Below by the throat and on the sides by the jaws. On the sides it is jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. Jaws bears teeth. Okay. Teeth is a hard structure. Teeth are hard structure meant for holding the substance, holding, cutting, grinding, chewing the food. Okay. Teeth is necessary for holding the food substance, cutting, grinding, chewing, etc. In human beings, there are two sets of teeth, children. One is at the young age. So, from the first year, age 1 to age 7, that is a young period. That teeth is said to be the temporary teeth or milk teeth. The first appearing set of teeth, only 20 teeth are appeared. That teeth is temporary or milk teeth, and it is replaced by second set of 32 permanent teeth, that is in two jaws, in upper jaw 16 and lower jaw 16. So, there are two different set of teeth. One is temporary and second one is permanent. Okay. The permanent teeth are four types. It is said to be heterodont. It is a 2-mark question, children. What is heterodont? According to their structure and function, there are 4 types. One is incisor, second one is canines, third one is premolar, and fourth one is molar. So, based on the structure and function, the teeth are of 4 types. One is incisor, second one is canines, third one is premolars, and fourth one is molar. See the picture here, children. Upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw having 16 teeth and lower jaw having 16 teeth. They are heterodent, 4 different types based on the structure and function. See, this is said to be incisor, and this is said to be canines, and then these 2 said to be premolar, and the last 3 said to be the molar teeth. See the picture, incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Clear? The dental formula represents the number of different types of teeth present in upper and lower jaw. The types of teeth are denoted as incisor, it is marked as I, canines, it is marked as C, premolar, it is marked as PM, and molar, it is marked as M. So, the dental formula is represented as follows. For milk teeth in each of upper and lower jaw, it is 2, 1, 2 and then 2, 1, 2. Okay? This is 10 in the upper jaw and 10 in the lower jaw. So, totally 20 teeth. Can you get my point, children? For the permanent teeth in each of the upper and lower jaw, 16, upper jaw having 16 teeth and lower jaw having 16 teeth. So, totally 32 teeth. 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 3 molar. So, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3 in the upper and one side and 2, 1, 2, 3 in the next side. So, upper jaw 16 and lower jaw 16. So, 16 into 2, 32 teeth. See here, 2 incisors, 2 canines. So, 1 in the upper jaw and then 2 premolar and 3 molar. So, 2, 1, 2 premolar and 3 molar teeth. Clear, children? Next one is salivary glands. 3 pairs of salivary glands are present in the mouth cavity or buccal cavity. They are parotid gland, sublingual gland, and third one is submaxillary or submandibular gland. So, submaxillary is also called as submandibular gland. First one is parotid glands. Parotid glands are the largest salivary gland. So, there are 3 glands, salivary glands are present in the mouth cavity. The first one is parotid. It is a very large. So, largest salivary glands which lie in the cheeks in front of the ears. It lies in the cheek region. This region is called cheek region. Here only the parotid glands are present. See the picture here. See, the parotid gland is the largest gland. It is present in the cheek region in front of the ear. Second one is sublingual glands. Sublingual glands are the smallest glands and lie beneath the tongue, just beneath here. And third one is submaxillary or submandibular, lie at the angles of the lower jaw. This is the angle of the lower jaw. Here the third gland, submaxillary or mandible, submandibular gland is present. the salivary glands secretes a viscous fluid called saliva, approximately 1.5 liters per day. A normal human can able to secrete 1.5 liters of saliva every day. Okay. So, it digests starch by the action of enzyme taline. See here, the pronunciation is different and the spelling is different. It is taline, otherwise called as amylase. Salivary amylase also called as taline. So, it digests starch by the action of enzyme taline or salivary amylase in the saliva, which converts starch is a polysaccharide, into maltose. Maltose is a disaccharide. Okay. So, saliva contains salivary amylase, the enzyme. Salivary amylase is also called as taline. It digests the polysaccharide into disaccharides. It converts the starch into maltose. Starch is the example for polysaccharide, maltose is the example for disaccharide. So, saliva have enzyme salivary amylase. By the action of this enzyme, it converts the starch into maltose. Can you get my point, children? Everything takes place inside the mouth. So, digestion of carbohydrates starts in the mouth itself. Very, very, very important. Okay. So, saliva also contain antibacterial enzyme called lysozyme. 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 Okay. The next one is tongue. See, the tongue is a muscular sensory organ. There are 5 sense organs in our body: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So, one among the sense organ, tongue. It is a muscular sensory organ which helps in mixing the food during the digestion. It helps to mix the food with the help of saliva. Okay. So, taste buds on the tongue helps to recognize the taste of the food. The masticated food in the buccal cavity became bolus. Bolus is nothing but semi-solid food. So, bolus is nothing but semi-solid food which is rolled by tongue and passed through pharynx into the esophagus. Esophagus, food pipe, by swallowing. We are swallowing food. What we are swallowing? We are swallowing only the bolus, semi-solid food. During swallowing, the epiglottis closes. During swallowing, the epiglottis closes and also prevents the food from entering into the trachea. Trachea is nothing but air pipe. Okay, see the picture here, children. This is the picture of tongue and this is the epiglottis. It usually while we are swallowing, the epiglottis closes the trachea. Okay, it helps to prevent the food from entering into the trachea. Okay. Thank you, children. To receive our online lessons, please press subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.